Welcome students. Today we are going to configure BOM, that is a component list. Means we are creating manufacturing a product, or for example we are assembling a product from our sum of raw materials, and how it has to be transferred from raw material to finished goods. Or otherwise, for example, I am saying you that I have milk, okay, and I bought milk per liter, rupees per liter, but I am selling the milk uh, into another quantity, okay, like for example in kg. What will happen? First one. The second one is the second one. I'm just saying you. The second one is, for example, that I have purchased milk, but I am selling paneer from the milk which I have produced from the milk. Okay. In that case, how to consume all the raw materials in a single voucher as per the finished goods produced. So in Tally, how can we do all these things? We must know. Okay. So I am switching to Tally, and here you will be watching this all. That, for example, I have created a stock item for milk here. Milk is primary. Now I will be creating this simple as, or as compound here, simple, that is kg. Okay, I will be creating kg as simple kg, kilogram. Now I will be selecting here kilograms is decimal places, uh, 3 3 decimal places. For example, 1 kilogram is having 1.2 liters. Just an example, okay, 1.2. I will be creating a new sample, that is liters. Sorry, LTRS, LITRS. I will be selecting here liters, LITRES. Uh, I mistake, LITRES. Okay, liters. Here will be 3. Okay, now accepting this here. Now I will have to active BOM. What? In milk? Definitely not in milk. While doing this on uh, paneer. Okay, this is paneer item. Now item here, I will be selecting this into kg. Okay, now I will be activating BOM in from configuration, that is set component list. Okay, into configuration. Okay, set component list, that is bill of materials for stock items. Yes. Now here, and I will be deselecting the standard rate for this product. No, nothing. BOM has to be yes. Now paneer. Suppose paneer. Okay, I will be creating paneer of 1 kg. How? That 1 kg will consume milk of 3. Okay, 3 kg. That is 3 kg or 4 kg. I will be selecting here 4 kg. Okay, now end of list. I have selected this, created already. Okay, now first I will be purchasing here the milk first. Okay, now the invoice number, party name, I will be creating here, for example, Verka. Purchase account, not purchase account, these are sundry creditors, sorry, sundry creditors. Okay, once again, bill by bill, yes, TDS, TCS, whenever applicable, it will be applicable. Here, Punjab, now I will have to purchase, now I will select the milk, and I am purchasing here 100 kg of milk. Okay, the rate, for example, 45. Okay, this is. Now I have purchased milk 100 kg and I want to produce the paneer. How? First, we will go to vouchers and I will be selecting here journal. Into journal, which journal? Stock journal. Stock journal. Here, this is going to be manual, 100% manual. Okay, and I will be selecting that how to automate all these things. Here, first of Jan, for example, I have to produce a 1 kg. Okay, it means that for 1 kg paneer I was using 4 kg of milk. Here what I will do here, that source consumption, that is milk, I will be selecting here 4 kg, and I will be creating the paneer. How kg? 1 kg. And what should be the rate here? Purchase rate, that is 45. Okay, and additional cost will be there. Okay, now further, this is the raw material to raw material cost. Okay, okay, all this is about here 1 kg. Sorry, not 40. This would be 180. The equivalent to this. What I did a mistake, that I have chosen 45 as it is. Okay, and this is the price where the paneer price is lesser than the milk consumed. Okay, now I am saving this voucher. This is totally manual. Now I will be creating by pressing Alt G, creating master. What type of master? Voucher type. Into voucher type creation, what I am going to do, here I am creating a manufacturing journal, MFG journal. Okay, MFG journal, that this is shortcut. Now I am pressing here MFG into a stock journal. Okay, I'm taking this into a stock journal, but I will be selecting here manufacturing journal, yes, and track additional cost for purchases, yes. Both of the conditions will be yes. Now I will be back to the my window. I will be pressing here stock journal, that is Alt F7, but here we have options to select manufacturing journal. Now what I will do here, I will select the product and how many kg I want to produce. For example, 25 kg. Here what will happen here, or if I changes to 22 kgs, it will be directly affected here, that 88. Okay, 88 kg of this, and this is going to be final rate of this here. Okay, effective rate, that is 180 per kg for paneer. uh, it means we need not to allocate the cost of finished goods, especially for the material here. And if we will choose all those labor heads, overheads, like labor charges, it will be applied to the paneer, means to the finished goods. This is all about manufacturing journal. And the stock journal here, the stock journal is completely manual, and manufacturing journal is totally automated. Thanks for watching my video.